Pig farming is a profitable business if properly planned and maintained with proper training. The advantages of pig farming are high profits with low investment, the fact that it can be started on a small scale, and fast reproduction capacity. Among the various livestock species, piggery is the most potent source for meat production, and pigs are more efficient feed converters than broilers. Pig meat is a tasty and nutritious food globally. Apart from fresh meat, you can produce and export bacon, ham, lard, pork, sausages, etc. to foreign countries. Pig fat also has a huge demand in poultry feed, paints, soap, and chemical industries. Dear viewers, today in this video we will try to explain the method of the pig farming business step by step and its advantages and disadvantages. First of all, you have to select a very good location to start this business. It will be better if the land is far from the residential area. Ensure the availability of a sufficient amount of clean and fresh water in the area. Clean, dry, and well-ventilated barns need to be built for them. Generally, houses with concrete floors are more suitable for raising pigs. Each room in the barn should have a good drainage system so that excrement does not accumulate and the possibility of pollution is reduced. It is advised to contact local authorities and get clearances from them before setting up the farm. After setting up the farm, you have to procure pig breeds. Throughout the world, there are several pig breeds available on the market. You should choose those breeds that are easily available in your area. Pigs are omnivorous animals, meaning they can eat both plant and animal foods. Their diet can include grains, vegetables, fruits, cooking waste, and animal food. You can either feed them ready-made commercial feeds or you can prepare the feeds of your own. Their digestive power is very good and they can eat almost all types of food, so the cost is relatively low. Pigs are generally very powerful animals in terms of reproductive capacity. A female pig can conceive twice a year and is capable of giving birth to 8 to 12 babies each time. The selection of suitable male and female pigs is very important during breeding. During pregnancy, the mother pig needs special care and nutritious food so that the babies can be born healthy. The first 3 months after the birth of the baby pig need to be taken care of very seriously. At this time, it is important to keep them in a sufficient amount of milk, heat, and a clean environment. If the piglets are vaccinated, dewormed, and provided with health care, they grow quickly and develop immunity to diseases. After weaning, they need to be provided with a balanced diet so that they can gain weight quickly and become suitable for the market.